In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Duck email address. By the end, you'll have a privacy-friendly email address that forwards messages to your regular inbox while removing hidden trackers. This is part of DuckDuckGo's email protection service, and it's great for reducing profiling and protecting your personal addresses. Open your browser and go to duckduckgo.com/email. Make sure you're on the official DuckDuckGo site before you proceed. The page will briefly explain what the service does, but we'll walk through it together. Click the Get Started button, then choose Next to move through the introduction screens. These screens summarize how the forwarding works and what kinds of protections are applied to your messages. You'll be asked to review and accept the privacy policy. Take a moment to scan it so you know how your data is handled. When you're comfortable, click Next to continue. Accepting the policy allows DuckDuckGo to process your mail for tracker removal and then forward it on to you without storing unnecessary personal data. Next, it's time to choose your Duck address. This will be your public-facing alias, ending in @duck.com. Type in the address you want. Pick something simple and memorable, but avoid personal identifiers if privacy is your goal. If the name you want is already taken, try a short variation. You can always create additional private aliases later using their tools, but your main address should be one you're happy to share. After that, enter the forwarding email address you want to use. This is your existing inbox where all duck.com mail will arrive. Though it can be any provider you already use. Just make sure you have immediate access to it. DuckDuckGo will forward messages there after stripping trackers and will include a brief summary of what was removed. Now verify. Check the forwarding inbox you just entered for a message from DuckDuckGo. Open it and follow the instructions inside, usually clicking a confirmation link or entering a code. This step confirms you own the forwarding address and prevents anyone else from setting it without your consent. Once verified, you're all set. Your new duck.com address is active and anything sent to it will land in your chosen inbox with trackers removed. Keep your login details secure and consider bookmarking duckduckgo.com/email so you can quickly manage settings later. If you ever see a prompt or message that doesn't look right, double-check the domain and proceed only when you're certain it's legitimate. That's it. You now have a cleaner, more private way to receive email without exposing your primary address. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Duck email address.